Okay, so we are gonna walk out to my old milk room and face the disaster that I've really been dreading. Oh man, this is gonna be bad. I've got it's not all my stuff, like hardly none of it is my stuff, but it's full of shit that has just been piled up for 2-3 years. So like if we don't have a place to put something, it just goes out in the milk shed and it's just been piled up, and now I need this space, so I have to clean it up. Let's just do it. Let's not do it because there's a big old wasp nest up there. Let me find something to get rid of them first. I'm gonna get stung. I might as well do it on video, right? I got some soapy water. This could be bad. Oh damn. I got one of them. Now. Okay. I think we're good now, maybe. Maybe a snake or something. Rolling out. God dang it, the spider web. Oh man. It's bad. There's shit everywhere. My God, look at all this stuff. It's like an air conditioner and a generator, and that's my seed planter. And there's a vacuum cleaner, and I don't even know. Oh Lord, let's get to work. If I get up on a snake in here, I will probably have a heart attack. I can't even get in here. Oh my God. There's spider webs everywhere. Well, I got a cat in here with me, so maybe old Tom will keep all the snakes away for me. God dang, it's a mess in here. I am like scared to even open some of these boxes. Purple cleaner for PVC pipe, breakers, Ultra Lube, 2-cycle engine oil, because everybody needs a shit ton of that laying around, right? I guess that's like some shrink wrap stuff. Man, if you need anything, just let me know, because we got it. Man, there's so many spiders in here. I'm going to have to find something to get rid of spiders before I... God. Holy shit, that's a big ass roach. I don't know about all this. This might be more trouble than it's worth. That glove is going in the garbage because I damn sure ain't sticking my hand in it. Hard to believe that I used to come out here twice a day, every day. It didn't look like this. Whew. Granny's got so damn many tools. Does one person need this many tools? What in the hell? They went fishing the other day and left a banana in the tackle box. Good thing I came out here to clean up, or that sucker would have been rotten. 4 tackle boxes? Really? Tool belt, toe strap. Oh, God. Alright, let's see if I can move this air conditioner now. I took the sucker out of the window by myself. I know I can pick it up. It's looking better already. I think it just looked a whole lot worse than what it really was. My buckets make my wine. This is a minnow bucket. It's got an aerator box thing. Gives you some minnows in there and go fishing. I gotta find something to do with all these buckets because I got a couple more of them. That's the cover that goes on our meat saw. I'm scared to look in here too. Got some denatured alcohol, charcoal filters. Y'all know what those is for. This goes under the tractor shed. I don't even know why it's in here. Have y'all ever seen a seed planter? That's how I plant most of my seeds. Walk behind it. It's got all these plates for like different size seeds that goes on the inside. And then it drops the seeds down through here. I don't know if you can see that. And this little chain kind of drags behind it and covers them up just a little bit. This thing is awesome. It'll work your ass off though. Is that a better angle? Maybe? I don't know, I can't tell. This is my filter. Graining's filter. Air filter. Whatever. Gosh, I got spiderwebs all over the place. This really needs to be put up somewhere. It's a good filter. Let's just move that generator over for now. Oh shit, that was great. Damn, mosquitoes are eating me alive. Damn. This cabinet is, oh my god. Yeah, that's all my milk stuff. I'll show y'all what it's like having. Look at all that stuff. Talk about taking care of some calves. Got all my bottles for bottle feeding. Some soil met to add to their water, which that was mainly for my goats. When I had goats, we got some vitamin B for when they get the runs. And then this stuff is Jump Start. You give them like a whole freaking tube of it. No, the Jump Start, you don't give them a whole tube, but this other one you do, this Last Stand. And it literally last chance, like if they're about to die, they got the scars so bad, you give them some of that. And then I got a whole freaking box of needles up here where I had to give them shots when they would get sick. And then we've got, this stuff's probably, none of this is probably any good. This is some penicillin. And this stuff is good for humans too. So I learned a lot in my prepping and taking care of LA 300, some antibiotic. And then, oh damn, this new floor, this stuff right here is like so damn expensive. It's a really, really, really good like antibiotic. I got alcohol and all kind of stuff for the calves when I had all them. Look, this big ass needle right here. I use this thing a time or two. Look at that big ass needle. Yeah, like cows are really hard to give shots to. I'd hate for somebody to stick that thing in my butt crack. Well, not in my butt crack. In my butt. I got my my milk pail up there that I used to milk in. I got 2 of them. And that one. All kind of goodies in there for taking care of cows, and I don't even have none no more. But if I do decide to get some more, I got everything I need. How long has it been since y'all seen one of those? Surge. This one's not any good. It got busted or something. I remember like these were really, really popular when I was back in, I think, in middle school. Everybody said they shrink your wee-wee. Know how true that is. I ain't got one. That might be why they quit selling them. America. Who would have ever thought 5 years ago, whenever we built this milk room, that I'd be cleaning it out to make YouTube videos? Not I. YouTube was the last thing on my mind at that point. God dang, now I gotta get over here and clean all this mess up. Y'all know what this is for? Experimenting. Now I gotta try to like strategically move all this stuff over there, because this is gonna be my video area. This should be fun. I used to drink a lot of wine until like I got really sick off that kind, barefoot Cabernet. Cause I drank a whole freaking bottle in one night. Y'all, it was epic. I wish I would have recorded it. At the time, I was not interested in videos. I talked to my dad on the phone for like 2 hours late that night. It was like 10 o'clock and I'm on the phone with my dad. And I hardly ever talk to my dad. So it was some in-depth conversation about the years past. Ninja what? I don't even know what that's for. Some kind of meat. I don't know. This is my scales. How long's it been since you've seen a set of those? These came from my old feed store. They're super old. Brand new quartz. Some bottle wine. And a trolling motor. And a trolling motor for your boat. Cane pole. This is the best thing to fish with. Good old cane pole. I might get this whole room cleaned out today. I wasn't expecting to. Definitely gonna have to get an air conditioner in here. Sweating. About got it. Look at this. Just a little bit more. Just all this right here. I got all that done. My little incubator. Hatch eggs in. If you don't know what an incubator is, this is what we got going on. You put your eggs in there and it rotates them and heats them up, hatches them out. That calendar right there says it all. It's a 2014 calendar. That's how long it's been since I've been out here. Y'all ever want to know if I'm prepared? I am prepared. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9 gallons of lamp oil in here, and there's no telling how much is in the attic of my house. I just like buy this stuff whenever I see it, and I'll get, you know, a couple gallons and just pile it up. If I don't ever have electricity, I've got a crap ton of those old lamps. I got 2 of them in here. I'll show them to you. And there's my little funnel. These lamps, I love these lamps. I got this one, I got this holder. Look, there's another thing of lamp oil. This holder let me get it up there without breaking it maybe. You can hang it up on the wall. I need to go ahead and put it. Damn, I'm gonna break the top of it. This holder holds it up on the wall, so it's like a light. Pretty sweet, huh? I love these things. Screaming's bicycle shoes. Clip in. Hey Brandon, you would probably appreciate this little story. Brandon probably won't. The first time he ever used these, it was hilarious. It's the ones that like clip in your pedals. I'm sure you know what it is. He fell. He fell off of his bicycle. I laughed so hard. It was hilarious. He hurt his knee, but it was so funny. You might as well just sell those pedals in there too. Tried them one time. That was enough. This is a little pouch that goes on his bicycle. Bunch of books in here. Modern homesteading, the old-fashioned way. Hillbilly Steels. I don't know what that's in there for. Got all kind of books. How to solar power your home. A Bible. Basic butchering of livestock and game. Wiring simplified. Workshop math. Brew and beer. Bunch of value classic paperwork. The complete book of butchering, smoking, curing, and sausage making. How to harvest your livestock and wild game. Y'all need some 409 because I got a few gallons of it. What am I going to do with this? I guess whenever the apocalypse hits, at least I'll be able to clean. I have plenty of cleaning supplies. Makes a whole lot of sense, don't it? That's how you put caps on a beer bottle. Got to keep that. This is a, what do you call this thing? I don't know what you call it, but you plug it into the wall and you can set the temperature and stick that thermometer inside the refrigerator or the freezer. Let me tell you what you can do. It's what we bought it for. You plug this into the wall and then set your temperature on your upright freezer, or is it a refrigerator? I think it's your upright freezer. And then you put this on the inside of it and you can set it like right at the perfect temperature so it doesn't freeze your beer or whatever, but it's like almost frozen. That's what this is for. Sweet. Keep that. That was my old sign. Read it. Fresh cow milk and butter. Oh shit. That was probably not a good idea. I had a spider on my finger. That was not good. I think broke the radio. We got these little walkie-talkies. We got a friend that lives up the road that's kind of a prepper. So, well, they live like a mile or, I don't know, maybe a mile. It's not far. I mean, they're one of our closest neighbors. They live like a mile, mile and a half down the road. I wouldn't want to walk to their house, but I'm lazy. So, we got our radios. I have no idea why this is even in here, but how long has it been since you have seen a can opener like this? Seriously. Like my grandma, she still has one of these hanging underneath her counter because you have to like screw it up into your cabinet. My grandma still has one of these and it works. Black & Decker Space Maker. Holy crap. I guess I'm gonna
go on like a cleaning spree or something. Seriously. Look, I got 2 things. That's like a lot. It's like 1.5 liters. This is foaming antibacterial hand soap. And I have, oh my gosh, that was great. Wonderful. That's how long it's been in here. Like the freaking cap is dry rotted on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bottles. I must have found a smoking deal on it somewhere. I don't remember buying it. But I got 9 bottles of Lysol cleaner. You know, in case the zombie apocalypse comes, I'm going to be doing some cleaning. I ain't going to be dirty. I think I'm done. I think I got it all.
It looks a whole lot better. I put all this stuff that we're keeping, I piled it up on this wall, and then some of it on this wall. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all this stuff off this wall and paint it. And this is gonna, like, I'm gonna put my desk on this wall, or I'm gonna build a desk. Grilling, you're gonna love me. I'm gonna build my, my desk out of those wooden crates. Not wooden pallets, but wooden crates. And I have some really old barn wood. I mean, come on now. Gotta have barn wood. I've got a bunch of barn wood under this little shed right here. So I'm gonna see if Brandon will piece together some of that and make me a countertop, like a top for my desk. And then I'm probably gonna see if my backdrop will cover this wall. Hopefully it will. Hopefully my backdrop that I use now, my barn door, will cover this wall. And then I'm gonna paint this wall behind this door. This is where I had my refrigerators. So I'm gonna paint this wall and hang some shelves. There's a guy I know, and he makes all kind of furniture and stuff, but he's gonna probably, I'm gonna see how much he charges me, because you know I'm a cheap ass, make me some shelves out of like the industrial pipe with really thick boards. I'll try to post a picture right here. And hang those shelves on the wall and put all my blueberry products on those. And then I've got this really cute easel chalkboard, and I'm gonna hang, like, put my pricing and stuff on there, so it'll be in my backdrop for my videos. So I have it all here. It's just getting it done. So we'll see how it turns out. I'm hoping that it turns out really pretty like I have in my head. But I don't know, because I'm not an interior decorator, so we will see how this turns out. So I think that's it for my vlog today. I'm sweating like a pig because it is mother effing hot. We've had a breeze. Thank goodness we have had a breeze today off the hurricane that is out in the Gulf. And it's been nice, but it is still hot as a son of a gun here. But I think that's it for today, guys. I think I'm done. I am fixing to go inside. There is a mosquito flying in my face. I'm going to go inside and get me a beer, and I'm going to chillax and play around on Yin for a little while. Bye, guys.